Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to take apart your Xbox 360 once you have all the plastics off, besides that one which you have to have the screws, because everyone knows how to, it's a pain, and I really don't want to make this video any longer, like 3 minutes longer, because it sucks taking them off. The only thing you'll need to take it off, or take the screws out, is a T10 Torque. And I'll show you which screws you need to take out with the T10 Torque. That's just a bit like to put in the screwdrivers, but I lost my screwdriver that I put it in like that. So I had to use it like that, and I loosened the bolts because it's gonna be real hard without it loosened, because I don't have the actual screwdriver. But to take off the plastics, you need a flathead screwdriver. Some people use a butter knife, but I recommend a flathead screwdriver because it's easier, like, to stick in there and just pop it out. See what I'm saying? So the screws you need to take out are this one right here. I don't know where that screw went. That one. And then all these. That one, that one right there, that one, and that one. That. Oh, and that one. So we're going to start on the side that has this chip thing. And pretty sure that's the Wi-Fi thing. I know it is actually. Built-in Wi-Fi, I think it is. But I'm stupid, so. And you need T10 Torque, I already told you this. But you put it in there and you just unscrew it. I recommend you do like all the black screws first because it's easier just to keep track. I put them in here, little thing, where like my bits go and everything. Sorry if there's wrecks in the background. I don't know, it's probably my mom carrying groceries. But yeah. And you don't really need to take the silver ones out, I don't think. No, you don't, not to pop that off, this cover off, and take the part off. But if you're like, want to take everything out, you do. We're not doing that today. Cause like you have to have those off. These four, right here, where the X is, you have to have those off to take out the intercooler. I think, yeah, you do. I already looked at it. Take off the intercooler. And I need to have a different size to do that. And I don't feel like rummaging through everything just to find it when I could just not take the intercooler off. Intercooler, whatever it's called. I'll show you. Oh, stupid battery, low battery. Okay, now we flip it over. Take this part off. And this thing's a pain to get. Hold on, let me find my torque. It's a T10. Here, put it more in the window light. Or in the light. There'll be a screw. This is the slim version, by the way. I'm sure you guys knew that, but because the cover and by the way it looks. you can just put that in your, wherever you put your stuff. And you take the metal cover off. And there you go. Everything else in here is real easy to take out. Like that you need a torque bit. The fan you just need a regular screwdriver. And the disc thing where the laser is and everything, you just unplug these two plugs. This one right here, the black one, and that white one. And I'll show you what the motherboard looks like. And I'll show you the intercooler too. Prop it up. Well, that's what the motherboard looks like. All that is part of the motherboard. This stuff. And you might want to clean it off, dust it off with a rag. See, mine's kind of clean. I think, it might mess your stuff up. I don't know, I always like to clean mine though. There's the fan right here. The intercooler thing is what I call it. And it gets a lot of dust right there, too. There's lots of dust under here. That's why I was talking about